Well, I suppose there are few things in life more thrilling than watching paint dry. But don't worry, we're about to transform this mundane task into an exciting adventure. Today we're diving into the world of paintbrushes and color palettes, taking on the challenge of painting an accent wall. Contrary to popular belief, it's not rocket science. If you can make a cup of tea, you can paint an accent wall. It's as simple as that. First things first, you need to pick your color. Now this part can be as easy or as complicated as you make it. You could spend days, weeks, even months pondering over 50 Shades of Grey. No, not the book, the actual color. Or you can make a bold statement and go for that bright orange you've always fancied. Remember, an accent wall is all about making a statement, so don't be shy. Once you've picked your color, it's time to get your tools. You'll need a paintbrush, a roller, a paint tray, and of course, your chosen paint. It's like going on a treasure hunt, but instead of gold and jewels, you're looking for items in a hardware store. Exciting, isn't it? Now, before you go all Picasso on your wall, remember to prepare it. Wipe it down, fill in any holes, and tape off the edges. Trust me, you don't want to end up with a paint-dipped skirting board. It's not the look we're going for here. The moment of truth is upon us. It's time to apply the paint. Start by cutting in around the edges with your paintbrush, then fill in the rest with your roller. It's like coloring inside the lines, but on a much larger scale. Imagine you're creating a masterpiece, a mural that will be the talk of the town. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and your accent wall won't be painted in one coat. Depending on the color, you might need 2, 3, or even 4 coats of paint. But don't worry, it's not a race. Take your time. Savor the moment. And there you have it, folks. You've just painted your very own accent wall. Give yourself a pat on the back, you've earned it. It's like climbing Mount Everest, but without the frostbite and thin air. So go ahead, give it a try. Paint your own accent wall and share your experiences. I bet it'll be a tale worth telling. After all, who doesn't love a good story about watching paint dry? That's all for today, folks. Until next time, keep your brushes wet and your spirits high. Remember, in the thrilling world of home decor, there's always another wall to paint.